Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show you how to book Emirates flight tickets online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright, on your PC or laptop or even your mobile device, open up your web browser and then head on over to emirates.com, and then once here, and now what you need to do is select your, we value your privacy, accept if that little pop up, if it does come up. So here you want to put in your departure airport. I'm in Adelaide, so I'm going to leave that in Adelaide. Arrival airport, I am going to choose Auckland for this demonstration, and now I'm going to choose the date. So I want to fly over on the 17th of March for this demonstration and then come back on the 31st of March. And passengers, I've got 2 adults, and then you can choose your class. I want to do business class, and then once you've filled out all these different boxes, click on search flights. You can also do flight plus hotel if you want to get a hotel as well, but for this demonstration I'm just going to search for flights, and now this will bring up another page. Alright, when I scroll down here I can have a look at all the different options I've got. So mind you, I'm doing business, flying business class, sorry. So on the left hand side here you got your departure times and your arrival times. So I'm going to pick this one here, which is the lowest price. I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to do the return here, select the Flex Plus, and then I'm going to click on continue to passengers. So now you'll come to this section, so where you got to fill out the passenger form. So put in your passenger 1 name, title, first name, last name. If you've got a frequent flyer number, put that in too. Passenger 2, and then add in your contact details, and then click on save and next once you've done all that. And then you'll come to options after that, and then you can choose some different options like add another luggage bag to your flight, etc. And then you'll be taken to the payment page where you add in your credit card details, payment details, then confirm and just triple check, make sure your flight times are right and the dates are all correct before you make the purchase. So yeah, that's how to book Emirates flights online. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.